Welcome to Balance Studio. Today, we're going to focus on gratitude and positivity, cultivating a sense of thankfulness and joy within. Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes, and let's begin. Let's start by taking a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold for a moment, and then slowly exhale through your mouth, releasing any tension. Let's repeat this a few more times, with each breath allowing yourself to sink deeper into relaxation. As you continue to breathe deeply, bring your attention to the present moment. Notice the sensations in your body, the rhythm of your breath, and the stillness around you. Allow yourself to fully arrive in this moment, letting go of any worries or distractions. Now, gently shift your focus to your heart center. Imagine a warm, golden light glowing in your chest, radiating warmth and love. With each breath, feel this light growing brighter and expanding throughout your body. This light represents gratitude and positivity. Think of something in your life that you are grateful for. It could be a person, an experience, or even something simple like the warmth of the sun or the sound of birds singing. Hold this image in your mind and allow yourself to feel the gratitude deeply. Notice how this feeling of thankfulness fills your heart and spreads throughout your entire being. Continue to breathe deeply, and with each inhale, imagine yourself breathing in more gratitude and positivity. With each exhale, release any negativity or stress. Allow yourself to become fully immersed in this feeling of gratitude, letting it uplift and energize you. Next, let's expand this feeling of gratitude. Think of another aspect of your life that you appreciate. It could be your health, your home, your friends, or any other blessing you may have. Hold this in your mind and feel the gratitude growing stronger within you. Allow this positive energy to flow through your body, filling you with warmth and happiness. As you continue to focus on gratitude, notice how it transforms your perspective. Feel how it opens your heart and mind to the abundance and beauty in your life. Embrace this feeling, knowing that gratitude and positivity are always within reach, ready to uplift and inspire you. Take a few moments to simply sit with this feeling of gratitude. Let it fill your entire being, radiating out from your heart center. Know that by focusing on gratitude, you are inviting more positivity and joy into your life. Now, let's deepen this sense of gratitude and positivity even further. Bring to mind someone who has had a positive impact on your life. It could be a family member, a friend, a teacher, or even someone you've never met, but who has inspired you in some way. Picture this person clearly in your mind and feel a deep sense of appreciation for for their presence in your life. Imagine sending this person a wave of gratitude and positivity. See it as a warm, golden light flowing from your heart to theirs. As you do this, silently thank them for their influence and support. Feel the connection between you growing stronger, filled with mutual appreciation and positivity. Now think of a challenge or difficulty you faced recently. It might seem counterintuitive, but try to find something to be grateful for in this situation. Perhaps it taught you a valuable lesson, made you stronger, or brought you closer to someone. Hold this perspective in your mind and feel a sense of gratitude for the growth and resilience it has given you. With each breath, let this gratitude transform your view of challenges and difficulties. See them as opportunities for growth and learning, knowing that you have the strength and positivity to overcome them. Feel this realization bringing more peace and acceptance into your life. Next, bring your focus back to your breath. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest, the rhythm of your inhalations and exhalations. With each breath, feel the gratitude and positivity growing within you, spreading throughout your entire being. Allow this feeling to ground you in the present moment, filling you with a sense of peace and contentment. Now, take a moment to set an intention for the rest of your day. It could be something simple, like being more mindful of the things you are grateful for, or spreading positivity to those around you. Hold this intention in your mind and feel it becoming a part of you. As we begin to bring this meditation to a close, take a few deep breaths. Inhale deeply, feeling the gratitude and positivity filling your lungs, and exhale slowly, releasing any remaining tension or negativity. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more centered and grounded. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing your awareness back to your body. Slowly open your eyes, feeling refreshed and filled with gratitude and positivity. Thank you for joining me in this 10-minute guided meditation for gratitude and positivity. May you carry this sense of thankfulness and joy with you throughout your day, spreading it to those around you. Remember, gratitude and positivity are always within reach, ready to uplift and inspire you. Have a wonderful day.